Hello everyone, this is Renu Mangtani from the platform of Ankakshar Miracles, which is the Institute of Occult Sciences, Spiritual Activities and Research. It is registered by MSME, recognized by ISO, IVAF AAA from USA. And I am an IIBF certified digital banker, youth icon by Governor of Maharashtra, YouTuber, researcher, influencer, and much more. And talking about my husband, Abhishek Chitran, she is the founder and CEO of Ankakshar Miracles, an expert master numerologist where we teach numerology and we also provide you the support. And today on the platform, we have Mehul Gupta, and she is one amongst the 108 co-authors of these beautiful anthology books titled as My Marriage Bliss versus Curse and Seven Lee of Life. And I heartily welcome to you, ma'am, on this platform. How are you doing, ma'am?
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I'm doing all great.
That's great. So let's begin this beautiful podcast with the blessings of God. ॐ त्र्यम्बकं यजामहे सुगन्धिं पुष्टिवर्धनम् उर्वारुकमिव बन्धनान् मृत्युर्मुक्षीयमामृतात् ॐ. सो मैंने मैम को कॉपी किया है कलर में या मैम ने मुझे, ये तो नहीं पता, बट एवरीथिंग इज ब्लू ब्लू. लेट्स
Twinning together, both of us.
let's know more about ma'am. And ma'am, let me know that are you able to see my screen?
Yes, definitely. Thank you.
Yes. So talking about ma'am, she's a Access Bars practitioner, tarot oral cards reader, numerologist, smile coach, talk therapist, chakra healer, author. And moving on, I'll share the book covers with you all. Just 1 minute. The beautiful book covers. Here it is, Seven Lee of Life. And this is a small quote from the article, which is marriage often provides emotional and financial security, contributing to overall well-being. This is from the article of Mehul Mam. And I'll share with you all the book cover of My Marriage Bliss versus Curse. Just 1 minute. Just give me 1 minute. And also, ma'am, you have received the mobile addiction book, right?
Yes, here I have it. I am ready with the book.
Yes, you can show that beautiful book to the audience. Meanwhile, I'll show the screen.
Here, it's a lovely book. All addictions can be like erased quickly by seeing the numbers, and it works magical. Everybody needs to come off this social media and mobile addictions. So it's going good.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thanks for all the love and respect for the book. And this is My Marriage Bliss versus Curse. Are you able to see the screen, ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, it is an anthology of 108 co-authors. It's Seven Lee of Life. And I will share with you all the mobile addiction cover also. Here is its beauty, where we have mentioned the traits and tips as per date of birth. And yes, so let's move on. And that was all about the Mehul ma'am and the beautiful book covers. So, ma'am, anything which you would like to introduce more about yourself in detail? Over to you, ma'am.
So right now I have started calling myself a smilepreneur. सब जने entrepreneur करते रहते हैं. So here I am with my smilepreneur things where I am the smile coach. Life is not easy with anyone and everyone. Everybody here is mingling around, searching for a simple smile. So I have come up with that. My mission is basically to create a world where feelings and happiness can be shared. So I am working as a smile coach, healing people through different modalities, guiding everybody, and here to embrace life with gratitude and joy. So a smilepreneur in front of you, healing hearts.
And you definitely have a beautiful smile. That's a compliment.
Thank you. Thank you.
And well, move on. You had written an article. The double-edged sword is its title. Seems to be the
Yes.
title carrying a lot of emotions in it. So, Mail ma'am, what made you to drive and write this title for your article, My Marriage Bliss versus Curse?
Everybody has both the sides, two sides of a coin. So इधर भी लटकना है उधर भी लटकना है. It becomes दो धारी तलवार. So marriage for everybody is the same. कोई दिन it goes down, कोई दिन it comes up. Every day is like a fairy tale. जरूरी नहीं है it is to be a fairy tale. Sometimes it does become a battlefield. Like you start fighting, have disagreements with your partner, and that's a good thing. You come up with it so that you know where you are standing. You are standing in front of a fight or the person you're fighting with. So it is very much compulsory or compulsion that you see the raw emotions of the person from the opposite. ऊपर ऊपर का किसी का कुछ नहीं रह जाता है. साइलेंट बैटल्स जो हम अंदर अपने अंदर लड़ रहे हैं, that is more easy to come out with that opposite person. So there, for some reasons I had to like shut down those emotions. So then I wrote this double-edged sword basically. So I wanted to share my journey as not as a victim or a victor, but yes, somehow felt both the sides, so was eager to share my story out there.
But I can see through your article you have always stayed motivated, and that's actually that is required. You didn't give up. You have always moved on with a smile, and today you're a smile coach too. So that's what your article says too. और सस्पेंस बना रखेंगे हम, सारी चीजें शेयर नहीं करेंगे हम. उसके लिए
Mhm.
आप जरूर बुक को रीड करें, मैम ने क्या शेयर किया है इन द डबल एज सॉर्ड. एंड मैम एक वुमेन चेंज मेकर ऑफ द ईयर एंड स्माइल कोच. सो मैम क्या आप एडवाइस देना चाहेंगे टू द वुमेन्स आउट हेयर टू स्टैंड स्ट्रॉन्ग अगेंस्ट ऑल द ऑड्स?
It is basically, see, the Indian society is not that strong for the Indian women yet. They need to come out of the cocoon and start building their lives instead of being so narrow minded. Society obviously is narrow minded. So, somewhere we need to step up our games. Jaruri nahi hai you start fighting with the opposite person every time. Slowly and gradually, also, we can learn to grow. So basically, my mission here is for the unsaid words the women are facing in the domestic houses. That is where something comes up, like they are not able to talk it out. They are not able to express themselves. पूरा दिन घर के काम में, बच्चों में, XYZ things में, they are so much enrolled that they forget they also have a life, they also have a mind, they also have a heart. So I am very much interested कि people come to me and speak their heart out so that we can help them. वो घुट के जीना बंद हो जाए उन लोगों का. So that will be very much easy. So that is why I'm building up this community of mine.
एग्जैक्टली बिकॉज खुद को तो हर कोई भूल ही गया है. लेट्स नॉट टॉक अबाउट
Definitely.
वुमेन्स. एवरीवन इज जस्ट सेल्फ लव रहा ही नहीं है. पेशेंस और सेल्फ लव
बिल्कुल नहीं.
बोथ
सब
हैव लग.
भागने में टेक्नोलॉजी, जो रोबोटिक वर्ल्ड, AI वर्ल्ड इज सो मच इन दैट पीपल आर नॉट like forgetting what they love. एक छोटी सी smile is very much important in everybody's life.
Exactly, that's why you keep smiling.
Thank you.
And what message you would like to share with our readers and audience from your article 7 Lee of Life?
The seven Lee of life is very close to my heart. I have the book here. We keep having very much things in life, and we need to be like simple छोटी सी चीजें. Love, learn and let go of the things. Simple चीज है. वो पकड़ के माइंड में नहीं बैठना है. इसने ऐसा किया वैसा किया. Let go, learn to let go and forgive people. So usse you will be able to learn, and multiple things have been like expressed through different messages of different authors. So lovely transformations can come in your life by reading this book. Definitely वो जो एक fear है वो निकल जाएगा सबका. Honoring your journey and trusting that every step you are leading to is something greater.
That's great. So, what is the tagline that Mehul Gupta follows in her life?
I follow that I'm the smilepreneur, healing hearts and spreading smiles, igniting souls.
That's great, ma'am. And what's your mission and vision?
Mission is to obviously bring smiles back in this robotic country world creations, and vision is to build up a global community to uplift each other instead of bringing down. We need to uplift each other. That is the most important thing right now, and I want the community to be like feel heard and valued at every step. किसी को पीछे नहीं रहना है, सभी यहाँ पे ग्रो करने के लिए ही ऑब्वियसली आए हैं. Everybody is here. So the dream I very much want to follow is to bring smiles not just on faces but heart में भी वो smile होना चाहिए. Fake smiles should not be there. Healing is a privilege and definitely it should be followed. So here I am with that kindness and love.
That's great. And आपने उसकी शुरुआत कर ही दी है, because the way you have portrayed in your article in Seven League of Life, I can say the lines were so powerful and so deep that it really can't be explained. Someone has to really understand it from the heart. The way you have expressed it, they were very deep, truly.
Definitely.
And to
Thank you so
read
much.
those deep lines, you all have to purchase the book, which is available on Amazon and Flipkart. And so, what would you like to say about the mobile addiction book, ma'am, which is authored by
Oh,
myself?
that is too great. मतलब you people have put up so much efforts in it that जो वही है कि silent struggles है ना, इंसान अपने दुख को मोबाइल स्क्रॉल करने में निकाल देता है so that वो अपने आप को एक्सप्रेस न कर पाए. So this book has come up. बोलते हैं ना वो रामबाण की तरह काम कर रही है ये बुक सभी के लिए. Definitely everybody needs to buy it and learn अकॉर्डिंग टू योर नंबर्स की कैसे आप उसमें से अपने आप का एक नंबर देख के यू कैन वर्क ऑन हाउ यू कैन स्टॉप स्क्रॉलिंग द स्क्रीन्स एंड बिकम थोड़ा सा लेस अफेक्टिव ऑफ द वर्ल्ड.
That's exactly, because all traits and tips are mentioned in that. So this is actually record in today's digital scenario which is going on. People have to really, at least if you can't stop it, but you will have to somewhat restrict it to your mobile addiction, somewhat.
डेफिनेटली
And
डेफिनेटली वो
all,
जो एक ह्यूमन कनेक्शन है ना वो नहीं बन पा रहा है. मोबाइल कनेक्शन सबके पास है, नंबर से कर लिया, फोन हो गया, रील भेज दी, हो गया, बट अ ह्यूमन कनेक्शन इज वेरी मच नीडेड इन दिस एरा राइट नाउ.
exactly. Also, this topic, my marriage bliss versus curse marriage, एक ऐसा topic है जिसपे no one wants to talk on. So जब all were writing the articles, they were like, we are really grateful, और हम लोग flashback में गए, हमने अपना collection लिखा है, we discussed about our marriage, so it was like that. And जल्दी हम न्यू टॉपिक भी लेके आएंगे, which is again a topic, मतलब let's have some suspense. We'll reveal it soon.
eagerly waiting for that. फिर
Sure.
से पेन उठाने की बारी आ गई है, so definitely waiting for it.
Yes. So, how was the feeling, ma'am, when you received your book and your personalized goodies? What was the feeling at that time?
एकदम surreal it you tell ना वो चीज थी. You are like holding the physical form of your dream. Dream comes true वाली बात है that you can also become an author. So it was overwhelming, full of gratitude to you both. And वो बोलते हैं ना एक वो गर्व pride जो था, it was amazing. It's not just a book. I feel सबने अपना उसमें ना पूरा soul डाल दिया है. Everybody has like a heart touching story and it's very much indescribable feeling है बिल्कुल. Thank you so much.
Thanks, ma'am. Thanks for all the love and respect. So, how would you like to recommend the Ankakshar Miracles to the upcoming generations, to the budding authors, to the new authors?
So it's like you need to start working on writing. सोचना नहीं है, आपको इतना प्लेटफॉर्म मिल रहा है. So please start writing, share your voice, speak your voice, hold your voice. Miracles is on your way and Ankakshar is helping you to build you up. वो जो एक budding flower बोलते हैं ना, that is what you are giving a stage to, and we are so much proud of you that you are helping all of us, encouraging us. वो जो हमारी creativity आप nurture कर रहे हो, express करवा रहे हो हमसे, it's wholeheartedly a very great thank you to you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thanks for coming and thanks for all the love and respect that you have shown towards the Ankakshar Miracles. It really means more. This
आप
was
लोगों को
Renu.
भी थैंक यू बहुत ज्यादा, मतलब हम लोगों ने जितना परेशान किया होगा उतना किसी ने आपको नहीं किया होगा. द वे यू बोथ हैव
एक्चुअली वो
हैंडल्ड इट, इट
परेशानी
वाज
नहीं
अ
थी.
ग्रेट थिंग.
दैट वाज जस्ट द ईगरनेस. वो होता है ना एक्साइटमेंट.
आई नो.
वो
किसी
हुआ
ने
था.
लिख दिया किसी का नहीं हुआ, बट इट वाज अ ग्रेट थिंग. यू बोथ हैव पुल्ड अप बेस्ट थिंग्स. दीज बुक्स आर ग्रेट, सो थैंक यू सो मच.
यू. सो दिस वाज रेणु मंगतानी विद मेहुल गुप्ता. तब तक के लिए बने रहिए, जुड़े रहिए अंकाक्षर मिराकल्स के साथ. जल्दी ही मिलेंगे अगली न्यू को ऑथर के साथ. थैंक यू मैम.
थैंक यू सो मच.